Regalia products are biofungicides that trigger a plant's natural defenses to protect against a variety of fungal and bacterial diseases via induced systemic resistance. They are active against soil-borne and foliar pathogens in field and greenhouse applications. Plant diseases cost billions of dollars in damage and lost crop production every year. These pathogens can secrete enzymes that degrade cell walls, produce toxins that kill plant cells, and generate chemicals that can suppress the plant's internal signaling and defense systems, making it more vulnerable to attack. Today, the predominant approach to managing plant diseases is to treat plants with fungicides that attack a specific biosynthetic pathway within the target pathogen. This can lead to fungicide-resistant strains that require more applications and higher use rates, ultimately diminishing control. All this is changing. Unlike many other fungicides, Regalia is a disease-preventive treatment. It acts by strengthening plants against pathogens before a disease outbreak, provoking the plant's natural resistance to bacterial and fungal infection. Upon uptake by the host plant, Regalia stimulates the production of a broad range of phytoalexins, such as flavonoids and simple phenolic compounds, which are fungicides produced by the plant itself. Regalia also causes the release of reactive oxygen species, or ROS, which further inhibit pathogen growth. Finally, Regalia increases the expression of PR proteins, which are part of a plant's natural defense mechanism. Some of these enzymes directly mount a counterattack on bacteria and fungi. Other enzymes strengthen the plant's cell walls by the deposition of lignin, a cell wall polymer that provides added physical protection. Still others increase alarm signaling between cells to coordinate a response against the pathogens. With the application of Regalia, many of the problems and drawbacks inherent in current fungicide technologies can be sidestepped, leading to better disease management and, most importantly, healthier plants reaching their full growth or yield potential.